No, you're doing great.
Shake the tree. Robert, help her.
No, good.
No, you need someone with a little bit of heft in there. Come on, Bull.
Wow.
Put your hat on.
Oh gosh, gotta get that one on.
Put your hood on.
Oh, you're doing good.
Want to help? Well, you guys, come on. It's almost through, eh?
Well, we can't.
It's almost done.
Okay, wait.
She got a hood. I don't have a hood. She don't want to put her hood on. That's not my fault.
Parker, stop. Watch. Parker, watch.
Wait.
Looks like a nice one.
Oh, it's really, thanks, Ma. That's perfect. Yeah.
Timber!
Hey, Nan.
Perfect, all right. It's timbered on that. I hope it's a good one, that's all.
Parker's timbering on me.
There we go.